always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow.
Hello guys, welcome to Design and Tech Up YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how you can create unlimited Gmail with your smartphone without the use of number. Either you've used a number, your number is not used to be again, so you are unable to create Gmail account. This video is for you. So carefully watch the video to the very end so that you can have a better understanding. But before diving into the video, very new, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewer, thank you, I really appreciate. So the first thing you are going to do is to head over to your Gmail app. Click on the Gmail app like this. So once you've clicked on the Gmail app like this, you click on this. You click on that icon where I'm pointing the arrow. Click on that. So after clicking on that, click on manage. You click on manage account on this device. After you must have clicked on that, you click on the Gmail account available there, then you remove it. Please make sure you put down the details of your Gmail before removing them, so that you will you not only have access to your Gmail, so you remove all the account, all the Gmail's account available on your device. You make sure it is being removed. So as we have removed the Gmail right now, the Gmail has been removed. So now exit at the Gmail app. You remove the Gmail app from your recent app. Now go to the app. With a long tap on the app, you'll be having this menu. You can see app information sent to desktop. You might be having more than this, but app information will surely be there. So just click on app information. After clicking on the app information, click on storage and cache, and clear away the storage of the app. Now after clearing the storage of the app, go back to the app and click on got it. Then you click on add an email address. Click on Google, which is the first one, which is the account you want to be creating. So after you've gotten to this place, just click on create and choose your choice. Either you want to create for personal use, for your child, for work, or your business. Just click your preference, the one your choice you would like to create a Gmail account for. So let's just put a random name.
I just wanna keep moving, keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact.
So just make sure you fill in all necessary details. Fill in all the necessary details. Select your Gmail address, input your password, As you can see, after inputting the Gmail password, you can see we've got into this page. Just click on yes, I'm in. Click on next. Click on I agree. Let's wait while this. So let's wait while this is loading. Accept. Take me to Gmail. So just click on take me to Gmail. So as you can see, we've created the Gmail without any number. So this is just the process you are going to use if you want to create unlimited Gmail. Just keep repeating the process. Before you create another one, you have to remove all the Gmails on your phone. you repeat the process again. So that is just how you can create unlimited Gmail on your smartphone without the use of number. So if you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.